So we're going to be making beignet mix today. I've always wanted to try this. Every time I go to New Orleans, I always go by Cafe du Monde and try these. So when I saw this in the store, I figured this would make a good video for anybody who wanted to try these. So yeah, let's get started on them. According to the directions, it says mix in 2 cups of mix with 7 fluid ounces of water. Stir with a spoon to blend it. Roll into 1/8 thickness on floured surface using flour liberally on dough. Cut into 2/4 squares, make about 2 dozen. Fry in an inch or 2 of oil, basting continually on each side until puffy and light golden. Drain well. Oil should be hot enough for dough to pop to the surface in 8 to 10 seconds. Electric skillet works best. While hot, sprinkle generously with powdered sugar. Serve with a cup of Cafe du Monde. Bon appetit. So let's get started. And I have this powdered sugar here. You're going to need a rolling pin, this bowl. I already have my measured out 7 fluid ounces of water. I have my measuring cup, so we're going to do 2 cups. Okay, so now you're going to pour in your water. It's going to get very sticky, so that's when you're going to need all your flour to keep it from sticking. Okay, so you're just going to stir it up. This is really messy, by the way. I've done this just to see what it was going to be like, and it was really messy. So we're going to take our flour out, and you're going to use a lot of flour. So just sprinkle out a lot of flour onto your part where you're going to be rolling it out. And you need a lot of flour because, like I said, it's going to be very sticky. So you also want to put some flour on your rolling pin too, so it won't stick to it. All right, so now you're just gonna plop this onto the flour. Really not making that many anyway, so. Okay, so now that we got it how we want it, I'm going to wash my hands. So we're just gonna roll this out. I like it kind of thick, so then we're just going to cut out some squares. Our grease is ready, so I'm going to quickly cut out some squares to drop it in the grease.